Hello and welcome to English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about a topic that many of you can relate to: how poor English can make us feel small or less confident, and how we can overcome that feeling.
Yes, thank you, Annie. We'll share some experiences, give encouragement, and talk about small steps to build confidence in English. Let's begin this journey together.
Altaf, when I first moved to the city for my studies, my English was very weak. I still remember the first time I spoke in class. I tried to answer a simple question, but my grammar was wrong and my pronunciation was not clear. Everyone stared at me. Some of them laughed quietly. I felt so embarrassed. I wanted to disappear.
That's a very real feeling, Annie. Many people have gone through the same experience. I remember when I applied for my first job. During the interview, they asked me a few questions in English. I understood the questions, but I couldn't answer properly. My mind went blank. I was nervous and my words came out broken. After the interview, I felt so small. I thought maybe I don't deserve a good job.
It's painful, isn't it? We feel like our intelligence is judged just because we can't speak fluent English. I started avoiding speaking in public. I even stopped raising my hand in class. I felt I was not good enough. But slowly I realized that English is just a language, not a measure of my intelligence or worth.
That's a powerful realization. It took me years to understand the same thing. I began to notice that people who spoke English well were not always better than me. They just had more practice or exposure. I decided to change my attitude. I started practicing daily. I read out loud, listened to English conversations, and even talked to myself in front of the mirror.
I did something similar. I started watching English movies with subtitles. I kept a small notebook and wrote down new words. I practiced with my roommate, who was also learning English. We made mistakes and laughed, but we kept going. And slowly my confidence started to grow.
That's the key: consistency and courage. No one becomes fluent in one day. And most importantly, we should not be ashamed of our poor English. Everyone starts somewhere. When a baby learns to walk, it falls many times, but it keeps trying. Language learning is the same.
Exactly. I used to feel small because I couldn't speak English perfectly. But now I feel proud because I didn't give up. I still make mistakes sometimes, but now I don't feel embarrassed. I correct myself and move on. That's progress.
Very true. Sometimes we are our biggest critics. We think everyone is judging us. But the truth is, most people are focused on themselves. If someone laughs at your English, it says more about them than about you. We should support one another.
Yes, we all deserve to learn and grow without shame. If you are watching this video and feel small because of your English, remember this: you are not alone. We are all learning. Be kind to yourself.
And take one small step today. Maybe read a paragraph, learn a new word, or speak a sentence in English. Every step counts. Confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from progress.
And don't compare yourself with others. Everyone has a different journey. Just focus on your growth. Even speaking one correct sentence today is an achievement. Celebrate that.
Right. I also suggest speaking without fear. You will make mistakes. That's okay. Speak anyway. Every time you speak, you learn. Every mistake is a teacher.
I agree. And Altaf, I think your channel is doing a wonderful job of encouraging people to speak English without fear. It's so important to have a safe space where people can learn and improve.
Thank you, Annie. That's exactly why I created this channel, to help people learn English in a friendly way, without pressure, without judgment, just honest practice and growth.
So, let's end today's video with a simple message. If your English is not perfect, that's okay. You are still capable, still smart, and still full of potential. Don't let your poor English make you feel small.
Yes, absolutely. You are not small because of your English. Your effort makes you big. Keep learning. Keep growing. We're here to support you.
In today's video, we talked about how poor English can affect our confidence and make us feel small. But we also shared our personal journeys and how we overcame that feeling through consistent practice, patience, and self-belief.
We hope this video gave you the courage to keep moving forward. Don't feel small. Stand tall with your learning journey. Thank you for watching English with Altaf.
See you in the next video. And remember, your mistakes are your stepping stones. Keep stepping forward.
Take care, keep practicing, and stay confident. Goodbye for now.